Guys, welcome back to Panzer 966. Here in all its glory, my new 2016 Black Edition Nissan GTR in white. Had it for about 2 days now. Not true. I picked it up yesterday. Well, I've driven a lot then. Anyways, wow, what a car. I'm really pleased with it so far. And here, guys, I'll take you for a little tour of my new car.
It's a beautiful color combo I find with the Black Edition package. You get those very neat wheels. This particular car came with a few modifications when I bought it. It's got the Aeromotion wing in the back there that we'll see in a minute. The Black Edition also comes with the red and black interior. Looks pretty neat. Again, this car has a Titan roll cage inside and a Sparco 6-point harness. Beautiful car. Yeah, you'll notice the license plate. I traded my 911 for this. Decided to keep the 911 plate, just for joke. But no, it's pretty neat. Take a look at that big wing. Carbon fiber, adjustable. Like I said, I picked up the car. It was a cross province. I'm in British Columbia. Had this one shipped from Quebec.
Yeah, it was shipped from Quebec, and pretty neat. 2016 Black Edition, like I said earlier, only has like 6,000. Well, when it came here, it was 6,300 kilometers, which is pretty low. And no, they're not, before you guys start commenting, they're not all track kilometers. So the car is in very good
Before
condition.
taking possession, I had my dealership. I had those nice shark fin installed here in front of the wheel well. And also the car came like that, but it's got film. The entire front of the vehicle is film, 3M style, mirrors, and fenders, hood, bumper. And then I had it ceramic coated, well, paint corrected, ceramic coated, so it's looking pretty good. It's got a few nicks and scratches, rock chips up front, and some places, like tape deal. You get one right here. I don't know if you guys, this camera's catching it. I mean, pretty minor. The wheels are perfect. As you can see, the discs are not original. They were changed, as well as the brake pads. So, service and everything. Of course, the tour cannot be complete without showing you this beautiful masterpiece of an engine. That thing pulls so hard it's not even funny. I've had a lot of performance car, my Porsche 911 GTS, Jeep SRT8, Shelby GT350 M4. The way this thing puts the power to the ground is just ridiculous. And again, it's got the Cobb carbon fiber intake on both sides, obviously. It's got a tune also. We're probably pushing around, I think it's around 600 horsepower.
Okay. Yeah, guys, so that was just a quick tour of my the new to me GTR, my 2016 Black Edition. Definitely will be a few reviews coming down, like driving reviews, and what I like, what I don't like, and stuff like that. There will be a few autocross footage. There will also be a few track days footage as the months come by. I should have that car. I will have that car, so says the wife, for at least a few years, so there'll be plenty of coverage. All right, guys, thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time. Spencer 966 signing out.